Hi, are you bothered by the notifications displayed by the Google Chrome app? Don't worry. With the following simple steps, you can block all Chrome notifications very easily. Let's check the tutorial straight away. First, go to your Android phone settings. Open the notification menu. Then tap the app notification option. The location of this menu may be different on each Android phone, so just find it. Continue looking for Google Chrome in this app list. Then just don't allow Chrome to display notifications. Finished. With these simple steps, now all Chrome notifications have been successfully blocked. That's all for this video. Hopefully it's useful. And thank you for watching.